Where am I at now? Work? Saving money? Probably not. This time I found myself flying 30 hours to a place called New Zealand. A place where the mountains meet the ocean. A place that doesn't make you feel homesick, but makes you feel sick of home. Flying 30 hours was definitely something brutal. But for me, I always want something more and more. Something so different. And this trip definitely filled that bucket. So flying 30 hours was kind of what I wished for, so let me stop talking and let's get into the video. Like, come on, what are we doing? So we finished the day off, took the boat back, had a little chill time. This night we slept in a hotel and woke up and started our journey. We had to go pick up the van. Took a little bit, but we're able to successfully get it. And so we'll just start the video off at our first destination. We'll see you. Took about 6 miles to get to these sulfur lakes. Once we got there, kind of chilled out, came back down the mountain, and we decided to camp at the spot we were at the night before. So now we're heading our way more south, and I forget where we're going. Where are we going? Okay, now I remember. We were heading on south, trying to get to the Volcano hike. The weather didn't quite work out. We were just chilling that whole day. You can see me, like I was popping out of bushes. So we kind of just plopped at the trailhead, slept that night. The weather was terrible again the next day. So I'll start it now. I forget what day it is. What day? Day 4, okay. Starting at day 4. Now after sleeping at the trailhead, we plopped at this beach. It was a campground, so we charged the van and everything. And then we slept there to then wake up to actually do the volcano hike that we've been planning. Weather just took a toll on us for a couple of days, but let's start it at the volcano hike. Let's go.
Cinematic is just so different. Look at this.
Richtig, also ich habe so die Touristensachen habe ich eigentlich immer versucht zu vermeiden. So, also klar, ich habe bei Milford Sound und sowas irgendwie.
So once we finished this hike, we got up there, and I figured this would be a good spot to camp. So we hiked back down to go grab our gear, and went right back up. Plopped up there for the night. Beautiful night. I'll show you the time lapse I got at night. I'll show you the stars. The morning though was definitely not as beautiful, weather-wise, but definitely a really cool rainforest kind of vibe. So just to tell you more backstory, we finished that hike and started driving more south again, and we popped down at this beach for a little bit. So after chilling on the beach for a little bit, we drove over all the way down to Wellington, which is where that big boat takes you over to the South Island. The weather wasn't that great, and it was getting late, so I didn't take too many videos. I can show a quick clip of us on the boat, though. But yeah, that boat took us all the way down to, not Wellington, all the way down to the South Island, and it was late. Couldn't find a camping spot, so we drove more and popped at this beach. So let's start the South Island, baby. Yo. Pretty sure this night we camped at the same spot we were at the night before. We woke up and now we're driving way south to a beautiful place, Author's Pass.
I think I got super close.
Super close? After finishing this hike, came back down, hopped in the van, and started heading all the way towards Mount Cook. Middle of the night, we found a random kind of lake spot, and we woke up there. Mount Cook area was definitely one of the coolest spots we're at on the whole trip. We ended up sleeping there that night in the camper van at some campground car park. We actually were able to see the southern lights. I'll show a clip. It wasn't much, but really cool. I wish I got a better clip, but now we're waking up, day 10, and we're gonna start a hike. We get to a peak of a mountain, so it is pretty cool.
I'm gonna eat one of your salted.
So yeah, we made it to these sand cliffs. Didn't expect this to be in New Zealand, but we made it there. Really cool. It was getting late, so we got out of there, and we were on a mission after this. We had to go for a really long drive to the middle of nowhere. We slept in some random small town, woke up early, and drove another like 4 hours all the way to Milford Sound, which was definitely, I think, the coolest place in New Zealand. I named my .5. Ah! This other bird is crazy. Ow!
I saw that.
I don't got anything else, man. Whoa! So after this bird stopped attacking me, we were chilling in the van, and I saw the weather started to clear up. So we stomped on the gas and got to the viewpoint that I really wanted to see clear. And we made it there at sunset, and it looked crazy. We chilled at Milford Sound for a little bit, enjoyed the sunset, and we're on another mission. Wasn't any really place to camp at Milford Sound, very regulated, so we drove another 4 hours out of there. We camped at that spot we're at before, that random town. Woke up, had another long drive past Queenstown, and to get to this place called Earnslaw. That's what the hike was called, which is the next camping hike we were going to do, and the last hike we were going to do. Definitely a really cool hike though, very secluded.
Ouch. So close. Cheers to New Zealand.
New Zealand.
Bye-bye.
So it was definitely a nice night. The morning though was very cold. Our shoes were frozen, and we were pretty much freezing to death. So we had to get out of there early. But definitely a really cool place to wake up to, and a nice way to start my birthday and the trip. So now we're on our way back with hopes that our van did not get broken into. So once we got back to the van, we were exhausted. It was a really long hike, and we were wet and cold and all sorts of stuff. So we started driving back all the way towards Queenstown. We pretty much did nothing that day. I ate like pancakes on a lake and just enjoyed my birthday, and we just had a chill time together.
You have milk in your mouth and
so we
your
slept.
jacket down.
And woke up to this place,
Yeah.
which was our last day.
You want me to stay there while you eat it?
My
Cheerios.
Cheerios in New Zealand. 2 weeks. This is how you end it off.
So after we woke up at this lake, we had to drop the van off. Really sad day. So we dropped that off at Queenstown. After that, we had a couple days in Queenstown. We shopped, ate, did all that sort of stuff, relaxed, since we got to see everything we wanted to see. A little backstory of the girl that was on this trip with me. Her name's Laura. I've actually met her at a random train station when I went in backpack Switzerland, which is kind of cool. She invited me in this trip, so it really gave me an opportunity to come here. I wouldn't know who else would want to come here with me, so we had a good experience, great experience. We both never been to this place, so it was really fun to just go explore and have a good time. So yeah, if you got a little dollar, go to New Zealand, go book that plane ticket, or just go somewhere. I don't know, go to Mars or something. Recording this now, I actually got back from Italy now, backpacking there solo. So I'll have that video up sometime shortly. That should be a fun one to make. So I'll see you guys until next adventure, until next plane ticket. Peace.